So what metrics and data and analytics do you think are important to sort of understand and evaluate from a marketing perspective?
So there's always the reality that data being a really, really dangerous word in marketing and in business, because not just from the ubiquity and everyone needs more data. I think in the world of marketing, it's really easy to look at what I'll call vanity metrics, or things that are interesting, but they don't help you make more money. So, here's what you shouldn't be focusing on in any marketing meeting. And I don't care if it's a mid-level manager or the chief marketing officer, he or she are having their monthly meeting with their entire staff or the agency. If you're talking about retweets and likes and shares and impressions, if you're talking about impressions or clicks even, you are talking about all of the wrong stuff. Clicks and impressions don't put food on your table. Likes on Facebook don't help you drive more customers. It's not saying the things that are it's not saying that our reporting, our advanced BI platform doesn't talk about impressions or clicks. But from an executive standpoint, certainly from a business owner standpoint or a C-level executive, if you're not talking primarily about volume of leads and cost per lead, volume of qualified sales leads that come from that, and the cost per qualified sales lead, and the number of new customers you got from that marketing campaign, specifically from that campaign, and the cost per acquisition, the cost per sale. If you're not talking about those three KPIs, cost per lead, cost per qualified sales lead, and cost per sale, and obviously the volume of each of those, if in a marketing setting you're not talking about those leads, qualified sales leads, and sales in a marketing conversation, and you're talking more about impressions and clicks, you are hurting your company. It is a dangerous thing to slip into, and here's why it happens. I inherently think people are good and professionals want to be awesome, and I certainly don't think marketers are bad people, because I'm one of them. And I think it's everyone wants professionally to do a very good job and improve their career and their what they do on a daily basis. However, it is really easy as a marketing professional, whether it's an agency or an employee, when an executive who is not a professional marketer is asking you a question. It is very easy, again, specifically in digital marketing, because there's so few executives that know enough to ask the second or third question. It's really easy to not volunteer and raise your head and say, you know what, I should be held accountable to revenue and profit. It's so easy to not voluntarily say, you know what, marketing has changed quite a bit in the past 20 years. We should be held to profitability. You should be asking me tougher questions. It's really easy to embrace the type of marketing conversations that were happening in the 60s and 70s and 80s, because those are still happening today. And unless marketers raise their hand and say, hey, I know we're talking about impressions and clicks and views and shares, but you should really be asking me tougher questions. Often, unless a marketer volunteers and says, actually, we should be tied to profitability. We should be tied to cost per sale. Those are often the reasons why those conversations don't happen. Or it takes a C-level executive or a leader in a company to, you don't have to read my book, but have some kind of education in that regard, so that they know that marketing should be accountable to client and customer generation and profitability. But unless executives are forcing that conversation, and conversations should be about those kind of KPIs, unless they're leading that charge, it's probably not going to happen. So I'm around conversations, certainly with prospective customers or friends or peers, and they're talking about things that I'll call them vanity metrics, stuff that it makes executives feel good, but it has nothing to do with driving more customers or making more money.